I'd like you to meet a very special guest, motorcycle stuntman and superstar. Yet he spent more time in hospitals and dealing with pain than anybody I have ever met.
I'm a professional motorcycle stunt rider. I've had a lot of injuries, a lot of bumps to the head, and I've had more near-death experiences than most people have had hot Sunday dinners. Doctors told me I'd never ride again, and for a while I believed them. Then one day I discovered Pain Erazor. Luckily, I've got the real deal cure. Pain Erazor works just like a stove lighter. Just give yourself 30 or 40 clicks with this, and the second you stop zapping yourself, I guarantee you'll feel better. You'll be giving yourself electric charges to your head, to your arms, to your wallet, to your earlobes. No pain, no gain. Don't put up with the hassle of medical appointments. You can solve your problems with the Pain Erazor for just $159. Pain Erazor, it's a shocker.